Hi, it's Joan. This week, I'd like to look at our random hands. It didn't take me very long before this hand popped up, an interesting random hand, because I had a week 2 opening in hearts and partner passed. So we ended up playing 2 hearts. The question is, should partner have passed or not? And what do you raise a week 2 on? Some people think that you need a lot of points to raise a week 2. That's not actually right, or it's not a modern way of looking at it, because if you've got trumps for partner, they open a week 2 and you've got 3 or 4 trumps, you should nearly always raise partner anyway, because the more trumps you've got, the fewer the opponents have got, and in a way you're upping the preempt and making it one level higher by raising when you don't have a good hand. But on this hand, partner had quite a good hand and they just decided to pass. There is a way to consider making an inquiry over your partner's week 2, and that does require a strong hand, about 14 or 15 points or more. And really what you're asking is, how good is your week 2 partner to have opened? Do you have a terrible 5 count or 6 count, or do you have a 9 count with a very good suit? There are various ways of answering the inquiry as well. I like showing a singleton, so that if you've opened a week 2 and you happen to have a singleton, if partner inquires with 2 no trumps, you just bid the singleton. So when you don't have a singleton, you just bid your suit again and let partner make their decision. Anyway, see how you would have gone on this random hand, and see how many tricks you made too. Unfortunately, the opponents led a queen. Usually when a queen is led, it's from the jack as well. And sometimes, although we're taught in suits to lead the top of 2 touching honours, like the queen from Queen Jack, sometimes it doesn't turn out so well. So the worry that you have is when you don't have the 10. The queen and the jack without the 10 doesn't look so good as when you've got the 10 and or the 9. So declarer can often benefit from the lead of a queen. Anyway, have a look at the hand, see how you go, and have a great week. With the south hand, we opened a week 2. It's a perfect hand, right at the top of the range, but 6-3-2-2 shape. No singleton makes it less useful to play, and partner has passed. I'm not sure whether partner should have passed on this hand. Perhaps they could have inquired with 2 no trumps about whether our hand was minimum or maximum. If they had bid 2 no trumps, which is forcing an inquiry to ask, we would have said we had a maximum hand. However you want to show that is up to your partnership. So we're in 2 hearts and the lead is the queen of spades. We have ace, king, 10, 9 of spades, opposite the 7 and the 2. Probably the lead is from the queen and the jack, and that has made it bad for West, who happened to lead it, and very good for us because we've got ace, king, 10, 9. So win the ace, and we've actually got 2 diamond losers after the ace. We don't know where the ace and the queen of clubs are, so we might have 2 club losers. We've got no spade losers, and we might have a heart loser, but we're not sure where the heart queen is. So the best way is to play a heart to the ace or the king. And we've seen 2 trumps, 1 in each hand. Now cross over to the spade 9. It holds the trick. We knew it would. There's no need to play the king of spades now because we can get up with the ace of diamonds later. So play another heart. Here's the queen. Now we can take all the trumps out. And it might be fun to watch what the opponent's discard when we play a few more trumps. And even play our last trump, because we know we'll make the contract. West pitched a spade. This might have been not the right thing to pitch, but anyway, we cross over to the ace of diamonds, play the king of spades, discarding a club. There's the jack. Our 10 of spades is good. We could discard a club or a diamond, but we won't make the last two tricks. We've done very well to make 11. And the ace of clubs was in a very good position for us, but we've made 11 tricks. So the question is, should we have been in game on this hand? Partner is marginal for their bid. They know that we're 6 to 9. They know we've got a weak hand. So they basically decided that they wouldn't move on it. The lead helped us significantly. Leading the queen from queen jack is not always a good lead. Here, because we had the 10 and the 9, they were never going to make a trick.